Broadly speaking, the mash stage in craft beer brewing involves the transformation from raw ingredients to wort. The core processes comprise four main steps: mash filtration, boiling, and whirlpooling. The purpose of mash is to convert starches into fermentable sugars. Crushed malt, which has been fractured but not pulverized, is mixed with precisely measured hot water to form a mash, then transferred into the mash tun. By strictly controlling temperature gradients and holding times, endogenous malt enzymes are activated, gradually breaking down starches into glucose, maltose, and other fermentable sugars. These sugars are crucial substrates for subsequent yeast fermentation, which produces rich, flavorful beer. Every step from raw material preparation to enzymatic conversion impacts the quality of the wort and ultimately determines the beer's final profile. This concludes this session's discussion. In the next installment, we will continue exploring the brewing process by delving into wort filtration techniques. For more professional insights into brewing techniques, please stay tuned to Tea on Thai. See you in the next issue.